Hey, what's up you guys? Oh my god, grabe yung Cat's Eye Pinkchella. Pinky Up. Nakakuha sila ng 2.2 million views right now. Oh my god, 24 hours pa lang yun guys. And, okay. So, mag-intro man. Hi guys, so it's me Luigi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we'll be having a reaction video for the, or watch together for the Pinky Up for the Cat's Eye. Guys, gusto ko itong sayawin pero di pa alam, wala akong time para sayawin siya because I want the best background. Okay. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with my every upload. So let's go and watch their Coachella performance. Oh my, see, like, di ba? Kung ako yan, sisigaw din ako, like, grabe yung ano nila. Grabe, di ba? Pasabog siya. Ang liwanag lang ng ano, I think, ako ba or what? Wait lang, ayusin natin ang ating camera. Ito na lang. Hindi, wait lang guys. I need to fix. See, live to, live. Oh my god, guys. Grabe ang Pinky Up. Grabe yung era na to. Like, the best. The hips. You see that? Oh my god. Grabe siya. Grabe yung atake nito, alam mo guys, yesterday after I upload the Pinky Up, lagi ko na siyang pinapamusic kanina pati sa pagligo, sa pagkain, Pinky Up. Pati nung naglalaro ko ng Roblox, Pinky Up yung ano ko. Tapos pinerform din nila yung Gnarly. I don't know if pati yung Gabriela. Yung gano'n, ang ganda. Grabe ang mga twerking, parang gnarly talaga, gnarly. This I love you, you love me. Yun ating pinaka-kahapon eh, sinasabi ko pa. Oh my god, you know, I love Cat's Eye. Grabe, yung mga music nila, and you know, sila pa yung pinaka, madali naman yung mga step, pero pag sila yung like, basta yung ang hirap na ewan na, grabe, man. I hope now. And also, ang ganda ng line distribution nila, grabe, and also yung beat, yung beat ang gusto ko talaga dito. Ang daming tao, diba? Perfect, diba? Bagay na bagay talaga sa Coachella, guys. That's my favorite part, yeah. Diba yung sigaw ng mga tao? The loud, the cheer. Grabe, it's so insane. Grabe. This is my thumbnail. Like, grabe. Na dito ba sa, I think nauna nyo panorin, pero grabe guys. I love Cat's Eye. Oh my god. I hope they... Bye bye guys. So this is the video. Bye bye.